Hi everybody, we are going to make beautiful DIY using thread. For that, roll a thread around a paper, remove it and cut it. Tie a knot as shown in the video. Tie a knot on a thread again and again tie different small threads around the center. Cut the shape of leaf and look how beautiful this colorful leaf is looking. Let's make something creative using thread. For that, roll a thread around a paper like this, remove it and make more such. After that, tie all of them on a wooden stick as we are doing here. Then roll it on a circle and remove all the colorful thread over it and put all of them together. Give it shape and look, your wall hanging is ready. Let's make something creative using thread. For that, roll a white thread around a cardboard and cut it. Make more such shapes as shown in the video and tie all of them on a wooden stick as we are doing here. Make white, red and again white and combine all of them together and cut a heart shape and look how cute and beautiful this is looking.